I made a DIY coffee body scrub that smells so divine and inspired from Pinterest. But there is a problem. You can see the texture of the body scrub. It was very hard and gritty. I am going to show you how it applies on the skin. You can see it is very rough and hard to apply on the skin, and I don't like this scrub. Did you ever felt that your DIY body scrub turned out like this hard rock mess? Did you want to make body scrubs that stays like this in home? Then welcome to Kajal Cosmetics. I am going to share this brown scrub formulation here that spreads out so nicely on skin and leaves your skin soft and supple. We are going to make a 100-gram batch of this brown sugar scrub. First ingredient is cocoa butter. Cocoa butter adds firmness to the body scrub and leaves your skin soft and supple. It provides an occlusive layer to your skin. Then second ingredient is sweet almond oil for its natural scent, and it gives your skin soft and supple feel. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil that deeply penetrates and leaves a moisturization feel on skin. It pairs well with brown sugar scrub because it has a natural coconut aroma to it. Our next ingredient is unrefined shea butter. Shea butter is a powerhouse of moisturization. It deeply moisturizes your skin and leaves your skin soft and supple. We are going to melt the butters with oil using double boiler method. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to melt. See, everything is melted down completely now. So we are going to keep it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. You can see after 20 minutes it will be like this solid. Now we can whip this. After whipping it, You can see. Now it's time to add our brown sugar. I am adding 50 grams of brown sugar here. We can mix the brown sugar with spoon and breaking that little clumps here. We can dip this brown sugar once again. You can see the texture. It is little runny, but after 1 or 2 days it will get a little harder. So I am keeping up here. If you want, you can add extra brown sugar. Now I am going to add scent to this body scrub. I am adding vanilla essential oil and a natural preservative called Preservative ECO. This is personally optional. If you want, you can add preservative, or else you can skip this part. I am adding preservative because I take my body scrub to my shower, so I am adding preservative here. Now our brown sugar body scrub is ready. You can see the texture, and it is ready to pack and use it immediately. I'm going to pack it in a clean sterilized jar. It's been 1 day. I made this body scrub. You can see it was soft in texture. I love my body scrubs in this texture. It will be very easy to spread. I'm going to show you a demonstration. I took a little body scrub and you can see it glides on perfectly. Now we can rinse off the scrub. After rinsing of the scrub, you can see my skin is so soft and have a moisturization layer on my skin. I love the texture, it spreads out so nicely and the vanilla scent lingers here. I love this brown sugar scrub. This is definitely going into my bath care routine. You can use the scrub weekly twice for the best results. If you like this video, share and support my channel. Thank you. Happy formulating.